Guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Mary, I'm the Lean Foodie, and here on this channel I'm sharing my low-calorie, high-protein, high-fiber and macro-friendly recipes to help you reach your diet goals. Today we have another delicious dessert recipe. If you're craving some pie with delicious vanilla custard but checking your macros, this recipe is going to be just for you because it's packed with protein and packed with antioxidants, and it's really good. The whole pie has 30 grams of protein and less than 400 calories. No protein powder or other fancy ingredients, very simple and delicious recipe. Let's get right into it. For the crust, I'll pick 100 grams of cottage cheese. As always, if yours is wet, pick 130 grams and strain excess liquid. If your cottage cheese is too grainy, it's better to blend it beforehand and you will never taste that, weird cottage cheese chunks in your crust. 1 egg white. As you remember, the yolk we will need for the custard, so it's a no-waste recipe. Don't throw away the egg yolk, we will need it later. A pinch of salt, a bit of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of vanilla powder and half a teaspoon of baking powder. So add 30 grams of any kind of flour you like. I'm using a regular flour here. Mix everything together until it forms a soft dough. Next, press it into a greased and floured baking ring. I'm using my favorite adjustable ring. It's set to 16 centimeters. It's very useful and it's a really good form. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description for you, but you can use any kind of form or mold you like. Don't forget to shape little sides about 2 to 3 centimeters tall, I think it's an inch or something, and poke the base of the fork so it doesn't puff up too much in the oven. For the filling, I'll be using some forest berries like blueberry, raspberry, blackberry. Pick anything you like. For example, strawberries and basil is a very tasty combo as well for this pie. I tried it, it's really good. Toss in about 150 grams of berries and dust it with a bit of a cornstarch to kind of bind the moisture from our berries. And sprinkle with a little bit of sweetener on top. I use about 50 grams of caramel flavored erythritol. Alright, now let's bake it at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the sides are a little bit golden. So this pie is very good just as it is, just with a little bit of fresh thyme leaves. It's incredibly tasty. Without any custard, it's 260 calories and 25 grams of protein. It's very good and very nice summer snack, but the low calories vanilla custard is the key part that makes this recipe a Lean Foodie's favorite. So let's pour some custard and decorate everything. The custard itself takes just 3 minutes to make and it's 100 calories and 5 extra grams of protein. So the recipe for the custard was uploaded I think a week ago or something on my channel. I will leave the link in the description and in the right top corner, so we won't go into a deep details how to make this custard. So we need just 1 egg yolk, 5 grams of cornstarch, some vanilla and sweetener and 100 milliliters of milk. We will heat it in a small saucepan, constantly stirring until everything thickens. And that's it. So for the detailed video recipe of this custard, check the description, but it's very easy. I think you'll be okay. So it's very silky and very tasty, and you'll never tell that it's kind of a low calorie. So when the pie is assembled, let it cool for about half an hour or an hour and dig in. This pie is very soft, very creamy, very fresh, and it really fills you up. It is perfect as a dessert or even as a light summer meal when it's, it's too hot for anything too heavy. I like to eat it a lot. So the full pie has around 250 calories, 30 grams of protein, so go ahead and eat the whole thing. No need to share. See you in the next one. Bye!